Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you use your EBT card, the cashier will know that you receive supplemental nutrition assistance because you have to tell the machine which card you are using. There will be plenty of people in that cashier's line every day who use EBT.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Unfortunately, DoorDash does not accept EBT as payment. DoorDash typically delivers food for restaurants, and you can't use EBT to purchase hot, prepared foods. They are simply not a part of the USDA pilot program.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Information. Any benefits that clients have remaining in the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program (SNAP) Electronic Benefit Transfer (EBT) account at the end of the month will be carried over in the next month.
Take our lead.
In smaller stores, you or the clerk may separate out the SNAP-eligible and ineligible items by hand. You will pay for the eligible items with your SNAP benefits. For the ineligible items, you can pay with cash or some other form of payment. This may require 2 separate transactions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.